Hello students, welcome to my channel. Let us solve a problem from GATE 2017 question number 36. In a tractor power transmission, the input pinion 24 teeth is in mesh with gears 46 teeth on counter shaft, and another gear 20 teeth of counter shaft is in mesh with main shaft gear 50 teeth. The engine is running at 1800 rpm. Differential gear ratio is 3.5:1 and final drive ratio is 4:1. If the tractor is fitted with 1.2 meter diameter rear wheel, the forward speed of the tractor in kilometers per hour will be less. Let us go to the solution part. First of all, there is engine power is given, the speed is given. Let us say engine speed here, in whatever the engine speed is will be here, then it is giving the speed of around 1800 rpm. Then there is saying that the pinion, input pinion is this one, let it be A, and it's having 24 teeth. So 24 teeth is in mesh with 46 teeth. This is 46 teeth on the counter shaft. This is the counter shaft, you can say counter shaft, and another gear, that is 20 teeth on the counter shaft. This is 20 teeth, let it is the, this gear is attached here, 20 is attached with 50 teeth gear in the main shaft. Again this is main shaft, so the power is moving like this to the differential. Here differential is here, the differential is having the ratio of 3.5:1, and also there is final drive here. So each wheel there is final drive, so final drive is having a ratio of 4:1. So therefore the total reduction will be equal to 46/24 first stage reduction into second stage reduction is 50/20, and third stage reduction is 3.5:1, and fourth stage reduction is 4:1. That will be equal to 67.08:1. So this is the total reduction throughout the transmission system. Engine rpm is given 1800 rpm, or the feed shaft you can say. Therefore the speed at rear wheel or rear wheels you can say. So in this case this is the wheel, so this is the wheel, this wheel, the let it nr is the speed, so nr will be equal to 1800 divided by 67.08 rpm. This is the speed at the each wheel. So if the differential is engaged, let it be whatever in this case. Therefore the speed, in this case the diameter is given, diameter is 1.2 meter for each wheel, rear wheel. Therefore we know the speed or velocity, theoretical velocity in this case nothing is given, therefore will be pi d n by 60 in this case. If you want to calculate it in meter per second, but in this case kilometer per hour, so therefore into 60, pi d n 60 pi d n you can say. Therefore the velocity will be equal to 60 into pi into d is 1.2 and n is 1800 divided by 67.08, and to make it kilometer per hour you have to multiply by 1000, divide by 1000. Therefore the answer to calculate this will be equal to 6.07 kilometer per hour. So this is the, you can say, the forward speed of the tractor in kilometer per hour. So this will be the answer for this question. It's a straightforward. The ratio of gears are given, the speed reductions are given, so you can calculate the speed of the forward speed of the tractor. Hope you understand. Please like and subscribe to my channel.